All you guys have been waiting for this. Here it is. Guys, what a week. That's all I'm gonna say right now. So, I just got home, back to Connecticut, with 33 minutes on my clock, guys, today. Look at how many miles I did. This is like one of my better days. 561 miles. So, I'm really tired right now, but if I take a nap at 4 o'clock right now, I won't go to sleep tonight. So I'm just gonna hustle. I'm just cleaning out the truck, getting all my dirty laundry so I could bring it home, wash a load of that. But yeah, I needed to pick up the camera, guys. It's been a while since I did like an update video with car stuff. I just been doing the trucking thing, and I know you guys like it. But got a new cooler. This thing plugs in. I'll show you guys real quick. So it plugs in. Look at that. It's got a little fan on the top, and it might be dirty as hell right now. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Picked this thing up for $100. Really good investment because I don't have a mini fridge right now. So for this week, I calculated real quick. I'm just doing an update, guys, to fill you in. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I got 2,500, 2,514. We'll round it down to 2,500. And let me tell you right now, my last paycheck, I got 2,500 miles. My paycheck was stacked. Just saying. This trucking stuff is definitely hard, but I think it's gonna pay off in the long run. And I basically already got a raise, so I'm really content with that. But anyways, discussion of today's video. Gotta get the FG2, load her up, and we're gonna be going to look at, if everything goes good, crossing my fingers, we're gonna be going to look at the new car I'm picking up. So stay tuned. A lot of you guys all been waiting for this. I am excited. I've been thinking about this all week, literally. I gotta hit the bank, and then we're gonna go check out my new ride. I'm gonna go put a deposit on it today. Peace out. I'll see you in a few days. Let's have some fun in midnight. Still crazy that, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's still crazy that I drive a freaking semi-truck for a living. It feels good to be home after driving that long shift, but it also feels so weird to hop into a car that's so responsive and just small compared to my truck. Yeah. That thing sounded gnarly, a Barth 500. God dang, this thing is so responsive, dude. Got that deposit money real quick. I need a haircut and I need to shave, man. Like, Jesus. That's what trucking will do to you, I guess. Alright, guys, so this video is literally gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna bring you in with me to show you basically what I try to eat all the time. Oh, gotta bring out the necklace, guys. Brings good luck. So look at the FG, dude. She needs a wash. I need some energy right now. I'm very tired. I drove from Virginia, Winchester, Virginia, all the way to CT. Oh man, the homie's calling. I should have brought my tripod, but I forgot. Anyways, so for dinner tonight, I wanted to be healthier because I've been kind of like eating, you know, mixed on the road and stuff. It's hard to eat healthy. So I got some salmon with avocado, sushi, and then for dessert, I got a little mochi. They're vanilla. Really, really good, guys. If you haven't tried them, highly recommend them. So, all right, so got the food, got the dessert. Now I'm gonna chill, get a little bit of sunlight here, and yeah, just enjoy some like outside nature, because I literally been in the truck all week, and there goes my water right now. Jesus. I've been in the truck all week, and you know, my happiness is like when I'm outside, basically getting sun in the nature and hikes. So I try to incorporate that every single day. Put that little bit of soy sauce in here, this little tray. And I need to get a new GoPro battery because mine's completely shot. Like, I started recording like 30 minutes ago and my battery's already down to 22%. It was at like 65, so let's give it a shot. Just try one, dude. You'll thank me. Let me get some pops. Ready? Hold on. Here we go. All right, guys. So we are here. The moment of truth is finally here. And I think it's going to be pretty crazy. All you guys have been waiting for this anticipation. Here it is. An FG2. Guys, it's an FG2. That's the car right there. I know you guys all remember JP. I had a video back like probably 2 years ago. This thing was boosted, precision turbo, and yeah, he's pretty much getting rid of it. And he contacted me. So I am really excited for this, guys. Obviously, there's no engine and trans in there right now. So I'm gonna have to put in something myself. So I'll probably end up going like K24, but everything's mint. I'm literally buying this chassis because of how clean the paint is. There's no EPS issues. It has decent wheels and tires, and the interior is absolutely mint. You guys could see, look at that. Brand new. It's been garage kept like its whole life. So I'm very excited. Be sure you guys like the video. R1 action.
Nothing attached.
That's so cool, dude. All right,
Right, a little more, right here.
and then Jay's keeping the K20. Obviously, we got the K20 Z3, full harness right there. And the most important part I think everybody likes to see is boost. So this is all his old turbo kit basically off of this thing. Should I say new? Because it's technically newish. So Jay, why don't you tell him a bit about what's going on here? I mean, this is kind of a sad sight to see. I didn't expect this coming. Honestly, I know you have a lot of hard work and time in this project. So kind of like fill everybody in. It's been years since we made that last video.
Yeah.
Fill them in, man. What's next to come?
Had fun with this car. Gonna get an S2000 and K-swap and boost that. So.
Do you think this car is going to good hands, or?
Yes.
I've been talking about this for weeks. I honestly almost didn't even get this. I didn't get this. Because I was kind of late with the money. Somebody had offered him money already. We're not going to talk about how much, whatever. But fill him in. The other guy kind of backed out.
Yeah. Thought it was going to be too much of a project and backed out, and now it's yours.
Now it's mine, dude. Hell yeah. There's a lot of options. Obviously, I mean, I have my old motor. I could still put that in here, you know, or I can do K24. I really prefer the K24, but obviously you guys see all the work is basically done for me. It's just ready for a new heart and brain. I got to figure out what the main goal is for this thing, but I'm not going too crazy. I want to keep the body style and everything OEM. I don't want to go, you know, crazy rep lips or anything like that. So definitely drop some comments down below on what you guys think. Let me know if this is the car you thought it was going to be. I know I've been like absent from YouTube for a little bit, but just know I've been hustling. It's got some of the innovatives. Yup, innovative mounts.
Has port mount.
Look at that. It's like the same as mine right now, basically. How many miles are on the car, on the chassis itself?
125.
125. I gotta sit in it one more time, dude. Like, even though I got one right out there. But guys, look at this thing though. Seriously. Super clean. Look at look at everything is like brand new. You guys didn't see the brakes. So obviously for wheel setup, a lot of people ask what the wheel setup was too in the last video. He's got the XXR 527s black, and he has the drilled and slotted rotors with What do you have for brake pads? Are they Hawk pads?
Stop Tech Extreme.
Stop Tech Extreme, and so are the brake pads.
Rotors. Yep.
So you're talking like $400 brake system right there.
Give or take.
And they're brand new. I forgot to show you guys. Only imperfection is that. The deal is officially done, guys. The car is mine. I just got to come up with the little bit of remaining amount, and I'll be back to get it in a couple weeks, dude. I am so ecstatic right now. I really am. Shout out JP. Appreciate you, man. All right, let's do one pull for the accomplishment. Just got home. It feels really good. What an absolute great day.